Have you ever wondered who the genius animal on Earth is? Stay tuned to uncover the secret behind nature's genius. Dolphins, with their intricate communication skills, capable of understanding complex commands. Elephants, demonstrating remarkable memory. They can recall water sources from decades ago. Crows, known to solve puzzles on their own, using tools to access food like expert craftsmen. Octopuses, masters of camouflage and escape. They show incredible problem-solving abilities. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives, learning sign language and using basic tools. Like what you see? Subscribe for more.